We would now like to introduce Mitsubishi Electric Service, IQ Care Remote for You. IQ Care Remote for You is a service using IoT technology to support production by and maintenance of electrical discharge machines, or EDMs. This IQ Care Remote for You can be largely divided into two functions, the dashboard function and the remote diagnosis function. First, the dashboard function that contributes to the production process. The dashboard function allows customers to confirm matters such as operating information and estimated processing time of their EDM at off-site areas in real time via PCs, smartphones, or tablets. And no dedicated software is necessary. Using a web browser, information can be accessed from anywhere. Second is the remote diagnosis function, which significantly reduces machine downtime. This function allows a terminal at the support center to directly access the customer's EDM to conduct a diagnosis. Now, let's see how it works. Please notice the changes on the screens at the support center and that of the customer. It looks like a customer is calling with a question.
Mitsubishi Electric Machinery Division, may I help you?
Yeah, I'm trying to cut a punch with the MV1200R. I could draw the design with the built-in CAD, but I'm just a beginner and I don't know where or how much remains from the edge.
Okay, please tell me the thickness of the workpiece, the wire diameter and machined shape.
The workpiece is 60 millimeters thick, the wire is 0.2, and the shape is a hexagon, like a nut with a notch. Do you understand?
Quite well. But to ensure accurate advice, I would like to confirm the details of the shape through remote diagnosis. Please switch on the remote service and show me the CAD drawing.
Okay. I pressed the switch.
Thank you. Let me check this out.
Since the customer has granted permission for connection, the application engineer is now operating the screen.
I have confirmed the shape and its rough size. I think the best position will be here, where the cursor is pointing, leaving 4 to 5 millimeters uncut.
This was much easier to do while looking at the shape than trying to explain in words. Thank you. From now on, I'll use the remote service when having to explain something difficult.
Using the remote diagnosis function in this way, the dedicated terminal in the support center can be used to confirm the shape of objects, which is hard to communicate over the phone.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, actually, the other day, while I was cutting other punches, the wire broke and the machine stopped working after the first cut. Why did this happen?
Regarding the cause of the wire breakage, in case of this shape, if you switch to the machining settings for the second cut immediately after completing the first cut, the wire can easily break due to the wire being eroded, in addition to high tension. To prevent this from happening, you need to secure a spark gap by marking time before switching to another machining condition. Now let's make the settings using the CAD. You can set the dwell time here. Let's make it 10 seconds. Next, by setting this M20, M21 code automatic output to on, in case the wire does break, the wire will be automatically recovered and machining will continue. This will prevent the program suspension.
Thank you for your advice. I'll start machining now.
How did yesterday's punch machining turn out?
Thanks to your advice, I had no problem.
Please contact us whenever there is something you want clarified.
I'll do that. Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
So how was this demonstration of the remote diagnosis function of Mitsubishi Electric's IQ Care Remote for You? Using the remote diagnosis function in this way allows processing conditions and operation methods that are difficult to communicate over the phone to be shown on the screen, enabling the experienced engineer to work with the customer to solve problems. This can reduce time and enhance understanding. Mitsubishi Electric will continue to use IQ Care Remote for You to enhance production efficiency. For a more detailed explanation, please feel free to ask one of our attendants. Thank you for your attention.